Hi friends! Today we are going to draw planet Earth. It is Earth Day, happy Earth Day. So let's go ahead and start with a circle. A big circle, one that's either at the top of your page or in the middle, right about where I am. So I'm just drawing a large circle and it does not have to be perfect. Mine isn't. And then next, we're going to give the Earth some personality. So let's start with its eyebrows and we'll draw a curved line right about here like so, and then another on the other side for the other eyebrow. A short curved line like that. And so for the eyes, we're going to draw them closed. And how you'll do that is you'll draw an arrow. You'll draw a line, then the two lines going in, so an arrow pointing towards the nose, where the nose would go. And then on this side, we'll draw the exact same thing. An arrow for the eye, pointing inward, like so. Yep, just like that. And that gives you the expression of the eyes being closed. And next we'll draw a big smile, a large curved line. The Earth is smiling. And two curved lines on the end of that, and then just a little curve at the bottom for its chin. And next what we'll do, we'll draw the continents that we see on the Earth. They do not have to be perfect. We're just going to draw a similar shape of what they would look like. So to do that, we'll start right about here at the end of the eye. So you'll take a line out like so and curve it down. You'll just follow that. And if you need to pause, please do so. And it's just making the shape of the continent. And then we'll go on the other side. We'll start about here. We're gonna go out and then curve that in, and then almost like a puzzle piece. And you'll just curve that on down till you get to the other line. And again, these do not have to be perfect. You just draw these shapes similar to what we see when we look at a globe or a picture of the Earth. And you'll just, for this bottom one, I'm just going to curve this around. Almost looks like an egg or some sort of oval shape. And then on this side, for the other continent, we're going to bring it out right here, right about where the line for the smile starts. And we'll bring that out like so, curve it over and down. And please, again, feel free to pause and to take your time and have fun. And what we'll do now is we'll decorate. We just completed our Earth and we can add trees. The Earth loves trees. The trees help us breathe and they are very important to the Earth. So let's add a couple of trees to our picture. So let's start about here on this side, and we're going to start with the line. And you'll bring it down and over. So we'll start it here, bring that down, and then you'll curve it to the left, like so. And we'll bring another line not too far from it and curve it the opposite way. So you'll do what you just did to the other side, and that's the tree stump. That's the bottom part of the tree. And now we'll add some branches. And we'll bring a line up like so. And then on the other side, you'll start another line that looks just like it. And we'll bring it down to right about here. And then right there, we're going to curve it up like so. You'll bring that line up and another line on the other side of it to bring that down. And there's two tree branches, just like that. And then we'll curve this line to create another tree branch and bring it up. And then we'll create another line on the side of it to create the other side of the tree branch. And we'll just bring that line on down to the top of that line and connect it. And there we have our tree and our tree branches. So now all we need to do is add our leaves. And how we're going to do that is with small curved lines like so. You'll bring it up, curve it, and just think of it as a cloud or a bush and how you normally draw those. And you'll just draw with the curved lines. And my tree is actually going a little bit behind the earth. So I'm just going to start on the other end or the bottom end and bring that on down. And for it to connect to each branch, you can start at each branch and start your curves, your curved lines, and just bring that on in into that middle bunch. And the same with this side. And you'll curve those, and it's actually going off the paper some, but that's okay. It still looks great. And so there we have it. We have one tree, and let's add a flower. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just going to add a small little tulip right here. So I'm going to start with this stem where you bring a line up, and to create a leaf, you'll just go out, bring a line out, and bring it back into the stem, like so. You can add a little detail if you'd like. And then next, for the top of the flower, which is a tulip, I'm just going to create a curved line. And then you'll just make 3 points, like so. And there's our little tulip. And if you'd like, you can add another small little leaf right there onto the tulip. And you can add some grass with just short lines going up, and that creates your grass. And let's go ahead and add one more tree right about here. And we'll start with the line for the tree trunk, and we'll bring that down. It's a curved line, and we'll curve it a little bit longer at the bottom. And we'll bring that branch up, and you'll then create another line right on the side of it. And there's one tree branch, and we'll curve that bottom line up. This one's a little shorter. And then we'll create another line going there, and we'll curve that up. And bring another line right next to it and bring that on down for the remainder of the tree trunk. And another way to draw the leaves for the tree is starting with this outside line right here and connecting it to the other side. So we'll take a line and curve it, curve it, curve it, and making our leaves. So you'll make that all like that, and you'll just curve it all the way over to the other line. And then for the middle, we'll just take some lines and put it on top of those middle points right there. And there we have it. There's our second tree. And you'll just add some more lines for definition and to create the lines of your leaves. And lastly, let's add a little daisy right here. So you'll start with 2 lines that create the stem, 2 lines very close together. And then what we'll do for the daisy is we'll draw a circle right there and then add our petals. I'm going to add one here and then one directly across from it, another petal. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Draw one and then one right across from it, like so. And if you'd like, you can add a leaf or 2 to your daisy. And you can also add some grass, just like we did on the other side. And remember, you can add grass with just straight lines going up, going to the side, and there's your grass. And so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, always make your art your own, adding your own decorations, your own personality to it. And your trees can be short, they can be tall, they can be large, they can be small. Be creative and have fun. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share with a friend. Until next time, friends.